This is my RedMagic 9 Pro gaming phone. I did not buy this for gaming, I just bought it because I like the way it looks without any camera bump, and it's got square corners, and I've been waiting for a phone like this for a while. So I just want to show you what's in the box. I actually went ahead and removed the plastic cover on the box, and then I realized I should make a video out of it. So let's look in the box and see what's in there. And this is actually my first time looking in there as well. And one thing I did not hear in the reviews of this phone is the wireless charging. That might be the only thing this phone is missing according to my research. I purchased, I believe it's a Cyclone version of this phone. It's a 16GB RAM with 512GB memory. There are two versions of it, 12GB RAM with 512GB memory, so I got the little upgraded version. I have no intention of gaming on this phone at all. Like I said, I just bought it for the aesthetics. I also purchased a screen cover for it and a phone case, so let's see how they look as well. So it's a nice box altogether. There is something in here, maybe just the paperwork. Yeah, just some papers, documents. Oh, there is already some kind of a phone case in here, and I didn't know that, and I guess I went ahead and purchased another case, so yes, that's a waste of money. So there is RedMagic, some kind of a manual. There is a warranty card in here, and there is a phone case. Looks like a clear plastic, just simplistic case. You got protection on top and bottom, nothing on the sides. So let's set that aside. And coming to the main thing, the phone itself. Ooh, that's heavy. Sorry, yeah, it must be loud on the phone. It's got a, from what I heard, it's a 80 watt or 100 watt fast charger. It's got a USB 3 plug in the back. There's a charging cable. Maybe the likes of Samsung and Apple can learn from these guys. Give the charging ports and charging adapters. So another card, and the phone itself, I'm just too shy to remove this cover. Phone feels solid. And I actually heard about this phone in the YouTube channel Jerry Rig Everything. So that's how I found about this phone, and I really like the way it looks. So that's why I got it. So here it comes out for the first time. So that's the looks of the phone. And this is the Cyclone version. I believe there is a Snowflake. It's a silver or white looking phone also. No texture, all soft. I mean, you can find plenty of things about this phone in many other YouTube videos. I just want to unbox it and show it to you guys how it looks. So that's what's in the box for this phone. And screen protector. I guess I need a knife for this, which I don't have. So let me get a knife. Okay, so let's see what's in the screen protector box. I have my trusty tiny knife. This is a packing for a screen protector. This is solid. It's got plastic case, screen protector. Oh, you got extra protecting frame as well. Wow, that's more than what I expected. So the actual screen protector itself. Wow. Glass protector. Wow. This is beyond what I expected in the quality. I am going to use this at a later point once I fully set up the phone. Wow. So I'm assuming that's additional protection also for the phone. So I have to figure out how that goes together. And finally, the case for the phone, which I'm assuming it's the same as the one I got in the initial packaging. Also very well packed. Only this seemed smoky plastic color versus the clear plastic that I got in the phone packaging, but nonetheless I wouldn't have purchased this had I known that I'm getting the other one. But again, this is beautiful. Once again, the whole reason I purchased this phone is because I like brick-like phones. Solid, square, no camera bump, everything is flat. And it came with the charging blocks, unlike the main manufacturers, or major manufacturers I should say, like Samsung and Apple, maybe others too. So fast chargers, cables, everything came in the package. So that's the RedMagic 9.